Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
In Miaoli, on the old street of Nanzhuang, one can find an irrigation ditch that doubles as a place to do laundry. Dozens of flagstones serving as washboards are placed over the stone ditch. However, this is more than just a place to wash clothes. Villagers also gather and chat there. It is also the theme of a song written by Hakka poets.
All right, everyone, it's time to talk about Hakka here on ICRT.
Hello， 大家好，我係阿蘋果 Leo。
Hello, 大家好，我係 Josephine, and today my mission is to try to get Leo to sing. 我要你唱歌，可以吗？
不要啦，我不想唱啦，喉咙不太好啦。
好了，那至少介绍歌曲好了。然后，因为这个月我们都在这个讲跟衣服有关系的主题。
有啊，当然有啊。
你看你想那么快，那就应该唱出来才对啊。
其实当然是有准备啦。我今天要带你去苗栗的南庄，它里面有一个地方叫做洗衫行。
洗衫行，这听起来是洗衣的巷子行，
不是巷子，是坑，洗衫坑。
Oh, it's the washing pit.
所以它的《洗衫坑》这首歌呢，就是描写那个洗衣服的情形。
Oh, so there's actually a real song that was developed based on this township and based on this area in the town where a lot of people would gather together and wash clothes together. 那能不能介绍几句来听听看？
好，行水情有情，對頭擺流到頭高，洗槍幾度出汗手，搓槍幾度攬狗奶。
攬狗奶，
攬狗奶是什麼？
我不知道，听起来跟狗有关系，但应该不是，
跟狗一点关系都没有。
攬狗奶啊，
就是烂泥巴。
攬狗奶 ，that's just muddy, all right？ 所以刚刚那几句话大概是什么意思呢？
他就是说这个坑水啊，很干净然后呢，从以前呢流到现在然后洗干净了多少的汗臭味？你刚刚没有问到这个汗臭味，
汗臭味怎么说呢？
叫做出汗手。
出汗手 ，OK, that's sweat. The first few lines of this song describes how the river is very clean. People come here to wash the mud and the sweat away. 还蛮有趣的一个歌。那这个歌就叫做洗衫坑吗？
对，洗衫行。
洗衫行 that is, again, the place you find in Miaoli County where people gather around to wash clothes and to wash away the sweat and smell, 汗臭味。
出汗手。
出汗手 and all the mud that's in the clothes. 这个烂泥巴。
攬狗奶。
攬狗奶。There you have it. That does it for this Talk About Hakka.
什麼大家？
俺是誰？張來了。
客家風情由行政院客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Executive Yuan's Council for Hakka Affairs.